Welcome back to the channel, guys. As we know, Labor Day is almost upon us, so I have gone through and found some Labor Day deals that I really like. Thought I'd pass on about 20 of them to you guys, so let's get started. So some of this I have and some of it I don't, but I was going through looking for deals for you guys, so I'm going to just start showing you what I found. Adorama has the Lumix S5 Mark II, which we are recording with right now, one of my favorite cameras. And it also comes with the Lumix 20-60 lens for $1947. So that's camera and lens. That's a very good deal. So excellent deal on that. Check that out. I love that camera. It's a fantastic camera. I just did a video on it the other day. If you missed it, I will try to link it at the end so you can check it out. They also, at Adorama, have the EOS R5. This is the version 1 for $29.99. It is $200 off. Not a bad deal. The R5 is still a good camera. And then one of my favorite Canon cameras is the EOS R6 Mark II. Adorama has for $19.99. No lens, but just the camera itself, also a fantastic camera. I would put it right up against my S5 Mark II. I think they're neck and neck. And then the Nikon Z5 full frame. I believe this is more of a beginner Nikon camera. Comes with a 24-50 lens. It's $12.96. It's $400 off. I don't know a lot about the camera, but full frame with a lens for $1,300 in Nikon's a pretty good deal. So I thought I'd mention that to you Nikon guys. So don't ever say I don't bring something for you Nikon guys. There it is. This lens, this is the Sigma 28-70, but I'm recording on it right now, f2.8. One of my favorite lenses. It stays on my Lumix S5 Mark II a lot. I mean, the 28-70 for $939, it's not the 24-70, so it's not as heavy, but it's also almost half the price. You just can't beat this lens. It's a beautiful lens. I don't video with it a lot, so we'll see what it looks like in the video, but I do a lot photography-wise with it. And then back to the Canon RF lenses, it's also a 28-70, not a 24-70, but it's a 28-70 f2.8 Canon, and it's on sale for $10.99. It's $100 off, so that's, yet I have shot with that lens. I didn't own it, but I rented it one time and loved it. Great lens. Another Nikon present for my Nikon guys. This is a Nikon 70-200 f2.8, $22.96, $400 off. That's a beautiful lens. I haven't shot with it, but I know that's a beautiful lens, and we're still in Adorama. And now we're to Amazon, and we have the Lumix 24-105 f4. You can get it for $1,097. You can also get it refurbished for in the high sevens, but please don't buy it. I'm thinking about buying that one. So anyway, I need that to go on my 28-70. But no, I really want to try out that lens and compare it to my 28-70 Sigma. And then the 50. If you have a Panasonic and you don't have the 50mm lens, this lens right here, you need to get it. It's on sale for $347 right now. It is one of the best 50mm lenses you'll find. It's a 1.8 for $347. It is a beautiful lens. I love it. So Amazon's got it for $347, 23% off. So check that out. Amazon also has the EOS Mark V renewed for $25.39. Then there is the Canon EOS R50, basically a blogging camera with a 18-45. This is a crop sensor camera for $729. It is 12% off. It's a lower end Canon camera, but if you're just getting started, it's a good camera. And then the Sekonic meter. A lot of people get away from meters these days, but you really should learn to use and keep a light meter on hand. I don't use mine enough. I'm trying to get back in the habit of using mine all the time. This is a Sekonic L308. This is one of their low end ones, but it does the job, and it is $239. And then we have the Godox ML60, and I have it right here. Now I use this a lot. I have the softbox for it, but this is great to carry. I travel with it. It's got the MPB batteries. I use it for LED. I use it for lighting pictures. I use it for about everything. It just fits on a light stand, and it is 18% off on Amazon for $179. Love my little Godox light, and it comes with a very cool carrying case. Then you have the Godox IM30. I have one not with me in front of me, but I have one over there. It's 11% off for $30.90. A very good mini flash. And also, just so you guys know, I've gotten a couple of questions about the little mini flashes being so close they're causing shadows. I have a Godox product on the way. It is a lift, and it goes into your hot shoe, and it lifts up It lifts up the mini flashes and does away with most of that unless you have a really long lens. That'll probably be our next video, hopefully, on that. So, and it's like $13. So be sure and check that out if you've had that problem with the mini flashes being too low to your lens. So I'll show you that in just a few days. Check back. This is the Godox V1. This is what I shoot my weddings with. Is my main flash. 23% off. It's $199. Very good deal. Very good flash. Then the Boya microphone. I can't say enough about this. I did a video on this the other day too. If you missed this video on the Boya, go back and check this out. Incredible. $89. What this does for $89 is just absolutely astounding. $89 microphone, worth every cent. I love that little microphone. The noise canceling is astounding. Just a great little microphone. It's 31% off, $89 on Amazon. Then we have the DJI Neo. You want to get Neo, we want to get DJI gear while you can right now, because it's getting iffy on whether we're going to be able to get DJI drones in the future. So go ahead and grab you. This is the kit. It's the Neo with 3 batteries and a charger for $289. So go ahead and grab that kit, because I don't know how long longer you'll be able to get a Neo here in the USA. Now we've got a different, kind of change things up for you guys right here. This is KEH, and this is the Canon EOS R6. This was the Canon camera that I used for a long time. They've got them ranging from 1533 to 1631. 20 megapixel camera, great little camera. A few $100 less than the R6 Mark II. Also, at KEH, another twist of a camera. This is the Ricoh GR2, 18 megapixel, 2.8 camera. It's a little funky looking, but you can get it anywhere from $952 to $1225. I thought that would be cool to throw in. I'd like to check that out. I might have to go to KEH one day and play with that. They're just on the other side of town. And then the final one is a Leica Deluxe 3 digital camera, only 10 megapixels, but only $468 for a Leica. I don't know that you could buy the red dot for $468. So check it out. I'm sure it's not a flippy screen. It does have a screen on the back, but 10 megapixels. I've shot weddings with less, but it's Leica, $468. So anyway, guys, check it out. I appreciate it. For helping you out, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about any of this equipment or anything I didn't mention, let me know down at the bottom. I'll get back to you. Hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.